Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to show you the May-June Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month and it's geared for your pocket page scrapbooking. It coordinates with your flavors of the month, so it's a perfect add-on for that. It's great for people that love to work in traveler's notebooks or planners. And it's also great for traditional scrapbooking because the backs of all of the papers are full 12 by 12 designs. So you can definitely use it for that. As you can tell, we have a wide variety of themes and designs and colors this month. Some wonderful products I know you're going to enjoy using. So this month's Shots of Life kit, you're going to get some of the cut apart sheets that are full 12 by 12 papers. You're also going to get some 3 by 4 cards and then lots of embellishments. So we're going to start by looking at the papers. So the first collection we're going to look at is this paper here from Echo Park called A Slice of Summer. And this collection, of course, is all about summer. I love the icons in this. Love the camper and the fruit and the lemonade stand and this watermelon. So, of course, you can tuck the 4x6s in the pockets, or you can cut some of this apart for embellishments, cut that down for a title or a subtitle. And the back is this beautiful paper with the little cherries on it. Next up from Photoplay Paper is Wicker Lane. This paper is called In This House, and it's the 3 by 4 cut aparts. And this is just great documenting everyday memories, your family, your home, the people that you love and in your life. Just so many cute icons and words. The back is all of these words that have like family members and then enjoy, good fun, memories, cousins. So these would be fun to kind of fussy cut real loose to put in as subtitles or titles as well. From Vicki Booten Color Study, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. This collection's just gorgeous. I love this. Giggle, laugh, smile, hug, dance, and repeat. So again, this could be used as its own, or you could fussy cut those and have just little pieces to put on several layouts. The back is a yellow plaid, full branding strip of the butterflies. From Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, we have this paper called True Story. And this one is square. So let's see, this is a 3 by 3 square. So that's a little bit different, but that's fun. If you have 4 by 6 pockets, you can still put those in and have room to tuck in a photo or journaling next to it. The back is this blue paper that's a distressed and again a full branding strip that you can use. This paper from Maggie Holmes, Garden Party. I love this paper. This is perfect to cut apart for little journaling spots. This one is called Taking Notes, and the back is this kind of like a quilt design, so pretty in that aqua blue. And then from Photoplay Paper, Crafting with My Nomies, we have this one that has a couple of 4 by 6s and then 3 by 4s. This is a great collection because it not only talks about scrapbooking, but sewing and knitting, just creating in general. And the back is a fun big polka dot on that green. So this is your patterned paper cut aparts, but then you're also getting some 3 by 4 cards this month. So from My Mind's Eye, Wild Asparagus, we have these cut aparts. These are peaches on the pink and the back thoughts. I'll just flip through these really quick. Beautiful colors, designs, lots of ways to use them with icons on one side and places to journal on the other. She is delightfully chaotic, a beautiful mess. Living her is a splendid adventure. Just love the colors in this collection. Better together. And then also from My Mind's Eye, we have journal cards from the Gingham Foundry collection. So this is that beautiful blue floral. And again, icons on the front. Most of the backs are less design work or journaling spots. So lots of options for you. Bucket list all together. You are loved. Collecting all the beautiful moments. Okay, so that is your 3x4 cards. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. This will vary, but this is going to coordinate with your My Mind's Eye Gingham Foundry collection. So this is the one that I received. You're going to receive half a pack of enamel dots from Pink Fresh and then half a pack from Echo Park A Slice of Summer collection. So lots of fun enamel dots this time. From Amy Tangerine, Brave and Bold, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So it'll be this one or the other half that you'll receive. From Vicki Bouton's collection, Color Story, you're going to get some of the puffy phrases. Let's see if I can flip that over so you can see those. So it'll be one side or the other. Love these. This has like a Disney vibe to me, this font. So it's so cute. And then for My Mind's Eye, you're going to get the sticker sheet that coordinates with those beautiful florals. And the Crate Paper Maggie Holmes collection Garden Party, you're going to get these glittered hearts. These are resin, so this is fun. This is a little bit different, but it's a hard resin gold glitter. Super sparkly and a lot of fun. So one more look at your May-June Shots of Life kit. So this also coordinates with the flavors of the month, so I'll have links here where you can watch the reveal of that kit. Check out all the other kits we have available, and then join us on the Facebook group or the blog. Join in on some challenges, have some fun with us, check out the design team and everything they're working on, as well as your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.